Hello everyone, I'm Lisa Ann Spencer. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Today I am participating in my very first hashtag Friday Sews. I just learned about this last week. I was watching a YouTuber that I'm subscribed to. Her channel is called Deb's Way. I'll post that below. And I saw that she was participating in this. And this is a brainchild of Jen's Sewing Room. That's the name of another YouTube channel, which also will be in the link below. So be sure to check those out. And after watching a few of these videos, I knew that I wanted to participate in this hashtag Friday Sews. What happens is on Friday, or at least post on Friday or sew on Friday, whatever, you just give an update from your sewing room on whatever projects you've got going on, and then that way from week to week you have some motivation to keep those projects going. Well, I needed some motivation, something fierce. I have let my sewing room, which you can probably see is my closet. I don't have a sewing room in my house, but I do have a large walk-in closet where my sewing machine lives and my serger, and a big basket over here of sewing projects, which I will show you a video clip. Can you see this ginormous pile? It's a big fabric basket full of fabrics and pillows and half-done projects and things that I'm ripping out, and lots of jeans. Oh, I see some pretty t-shirts. My daughter wants me to make a couple of pillows out of her horse shirts that she can't wear anymore. So that'll be one of my hashtag Friday Sews projects as well. So that is a mess. A lot of that pile is jeans. You could probably see that. So one of the things that I'm going to do between now and the next hashtag Friday Sews is I'm going to get those jeans cut into strips and serged together in strips with my serger. That way I'll have big sheets of material, denim, that I can make projects with, whether it is picnic blankets or throws for the bed or whatever. But they're just sitting there taking up a lot of space, and that would reduce my pile significantly. But I do have this one pair of blue jeans, which my husband laid here a couple of weeks ago and said, would you please cut these off and hem them and make me some shorts to work out in the yard with? So that's what I'm going to do today, as well as spend some time going through the pile, sorting the jeans out and organizing, so that from here on I can participate in hashtag Friday Sews and make some progress on some of my sewing projects. So I look forward to meeting you ladies that have been participating in this for a long time, and I'm so thankful to Deb at Deb's Way for introducing me to this and telling me all about it when I had lots of questions. And a special thanks to Jen's Sewing Room. Her channel is amazing. She is a professional. She may not call herself that, but she's certainly a professional sewist, a sewing artist, or a seamstress. So my equipment is this 1948 Singer. I love it. I do have a newer machine, like a year 2000 Brother, or the Brother knockoff, but my daughter's using it upstairs. She has a sewing room up in her room, and one day I'll show you that. I'll give you a little close-up of the Singer 1948, and then I also have a serger down here that's about a 2015 or 16 model. I don't use it as often, but I love this baby right here. So let me show you this, and then I'm gonna get started on the jeans. Here's my machine that I love so much. It sews so smoothly, and it's so strong and has so many wonderful features. I just love it and very thankful for it. There's a nice rip right there in the leg, so that's right where I'm going to cut it. More denim to add to the pile. I'm just going to do a really simple rolled hem where I'm going to do a like 1/4 inch hem and then fold it over and stitch it again. These don't have to be beautiful because he's not going to be wearing them out in public. So nothing fancy, just plain stitching. It took me maybe 20 minutes to get that done. Such a small thing, but it is one of my projects finished. It's been laying there taunting me and staring at me for a couple of weeks now, maybe 3 weeks. But worse than that is that big pile there that has been taunting me for a year. So I'm going to start sorting through that. So by the time you see me on the next Friday Sews, I will have the jeans at least cut into strips. I will have a couple of smaller projects brought back to the surface that I can do at least one small project on a Friday, hashtag Friday Sews, and maybe get this stack under control. So I'm so excited. Thanks again to Deb's Way and thanks again to Jen's Sewing Room. Be sure to check those out. And thanks for watching and see you next time.